In this session, let us learn about another important group of typical polysaccharides, that is chitin, chitosan and blood group polysaccharides. Let us first try to recapitulate what polysaccharides are. Polysaccharides are polymers of monosaccharides. They could be homo or hetero polysaccharides, and they can serve structural and energy storage functions. Examples of hetero polysaccharides include glycosaminoglycans and murin, etc. Let us look at chitin in detail now. Chitin is a homopolymer of N-acetyl glucosamine residues and has the structural formula C8H13O5N, which is the basic unit, into number of units which is represented as N, where N is the number of N-acetyl glucosamine residues. Structure of chitin. Chitin molecules are long chain polymers of N-acetyl glucosamine, that is glucnac, a derivative of glucose. It is a main constituent of fungal cell walls and exoskeletons of arthropods and crustaceans. So, chitin finds wide distribution in a wide diversity of organisms, including butterflies, beetles, crabs, lobsters, shrimp and fungi. The glucnac residues in chitin are linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds as shown in the accompanying figure. A diagram of amylose is also shown to contrast it from the structure of chitin, as the former has alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkages instead of the beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds in chitin. Let us now look at the distribution of chitin. Chitin finds wide distribution as components of the cell walls of some algae, fungi and yeast, exoskeletons of arthropods and crustaceans, certain mollusks and cephalopods. It is found abundantly in arthropods such as ants, spiders and butterflies. Chitin is also prevalent in crustaceans such as lobsters, shrimps and crabs, certain mollusks and cephalopods such as squids and octopuses. Chitin is a modified polysaccharide containing nitrogen. It is made up of N-acetyl D-glucosamine units linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds, similar to the bonds between glucose residues present in cellulose. So, chitin may be considered as cellulose in which one hydroxyl group on each monomer is replaced by an acetylamine group. This chemical modification allows increased hydrogen bonding between adjacent chitin chains, rendering enhanced strength to the chitin polymers matrix. Let us now discuss some major properties of chitin. In its pure form, chitin is translucent, pliable, that is flexible, as well as resilient and generally very tough. In many arthropods, it is often modified, occurring largely as a component of composite materials, for example, sclerotin, a proteinaceous matrix that form much of the exoskeletons of insects. In crustaceans and mollusk cells, however, chitin forms a much stronger composite along with calcium carbonate. In the beautiful butterfly wing scales, chitin is organized into stacks of gyroids constructed of chitin photonic crystals that produce several iridescent colors which serve signaling and communication functions for mating and foraging. Chitosan, another very important molecule, is prepared commercially by deacetylation of chitin, that is by partial removal of acetyl groups from chitin. The former is soluble in water, whereas the latter is not. Some salient properties of chitin may be highlighted as follows. Chitin is highly hydrophobic, generally insoluble in water and most organic solvents. It has high affinity for proteins and forms complexes with them. It is readily biodegradable, is usually inert, and chitin is not digestible by humans. It has antibacterial property, has good flexibility and strength. Polymorphs of chitin. Chitin can exist in three different polymorphs, that is alpha chitin, beta chitin and gamma chitin. Alpha chitin is the most abundant form of chitin, usually composed of alternating antiparallel polysaccharide chains. It is found mostly in crustaceans. Beta chitin, another polymorph, is composed of parallel polysaccharide chains, often found in squids. Gamma chitin can be considered as a mixture of alpha and beta chitin. It is made of two parallel chains alternating with an antiparallel strand, found in some types of fungi. The structures of these polymorphs are shown in the figures. Functions of chitin. Chitin serves several biological roles and has several distinguishing properties which we can outline now. Chitin has major structural role as components of invertebrate exoskeletons as well as fungal cell walls. It also renders shape to the cell and the organism. It provides protection against desiccation. It imparts strength, provides resilience, flexibility, and also protection against predators. Applications of chitin. Chitin finds several uses in sectors such as agriculture, medicine, biomedical research, and industry. Agriculture. Chitin finds application in agriculture for seed treatment, induction of defense pathways in plants, and as biopesticides. In medicine, chitin may be used as surgical threads and for accelerating wound healing. Biomedical research, chitin may be used for affinity purification of recombinant proteins, whereas in industry, chitin finds use as binder in dyes and fabrics, as stabilizer and thickener in food and pharmaceuticals. Let us now look at chitosan. Chitosan is partially deacetylated chitin. It is a linear polysaccharide made of randomly distributed N-acetyl D-glucosamine and D-glucosamine residues linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds. Chitosan is prepared by treating chitin, usually chitin from cells of shrimps and other crustaceans, with alkaline solutions such as concentrated sodium hydroxide. Chitosan may be obtained in powder form as can be seen in the figure. Structure of chitosan. In chitosan, the N-acetyl amino group attached to C2 carbon of the monomeric sugar unit is replaced by amino group. That is, N-acetyl glucosamine residue is replaced by glucosamine. The structure of chitosan is shown in the figure. Properties of chitosan. Let us now outline the major physical and chemical properties of chitosan. Chitosan is soluble in acidic aqueous solvents. It is a linear polyamine with reactive amine and hydroxyl groups. It is a highly basic polysaccharide, unlike most other natural polysaccharides, for example, cellulose. It undergoes reactions typical of amines, for example, N-acylation and SIP reactions. Chitosan glucans may be readily generated under mild conditions. It forms aldehydes and ketimines with aldehydes and ketones respectively. Chitosan produce N-alkene chitosan upon hydrogenation. It readily forms thin films. Chitosan can chelate certain transition metals. Some of the salient biological properties of chitosan are: it is biocompatible, it is highly biodegradable, it is also safe and non-toxic, it binds strongly to mammalian and microbial cells, it has regenerative effect on connective tissues, and it stimulates acceleration of osteoblast formation leading to bone regeneration. It has bacteriostatic and fungistatic action as well as anti-tumor and anti-cancer effects. It also has spermicidal, anti-cholesteremic, that is cholesterol lowering effect, as well as hemostatic effect. Chitosan can also have immunoadjuvant action as well as CNS depression effect. Applications of chitosan. Chitosan finds wide-ranging applications in several sectors including food, cosmetics, biomedical and pharmaceutical industries. Let us look at applications of chitosan in the agriculture sector. Chitosan stimulates plant defense mechanisms and plant growth, finds use in seed treatment and as biopesticides, protection against frost and in the controlled release of fertilizers and nutrients. Water treatment. Chitosan can act as flocculating agent to clarify water and wastewater. It also can be used for removal of metal ions and for reduction of foul odors. In the food and beverage sector, chitosan may be used as food supplement, that is as dietary fiber. It can be a binder of lipids, thereby leading to reduction of cholesterol levels. It can be used as preservative, as thickening and stabilizing agent, as well as bacteriostatic, fungistatic coating in fruit preservation, and as wine fining agent and for prevention of wine spoilage. In the industry sector, chitosan may be used as polyurethane paint coating, maintenance of skin moisture, prevention of acne, hair and skin toner, and as oral care agent. In the biomedical sector, chitosan finds use as surgical sutures, as bandages, as antibacterial agents, as well as immunomodulatory, anti-cancer, hemostatic and anti-cholesteremic agent, and for control, drug delivery, etc. Let us now look at the blood group polysaccharides. These are complex polysaccharides that determine the blood groups AB, AB and O. These blood group antigens are displayed on the surfaces of red blood cells, RBCs, also known as erythrocytes, and they influence the blood type of an individual. These polysaccharides are polymers of galactose, glucose, fucose, N-acetyl glucosamine, and N-acetyl galactosamine, etc. The O antigen, which determines the O blood group, is the basic polysaccharide whose structure is shown here. A specific enzyme adds a N-acetyl galactosamine residue to the terminal sugar of the O antigen, giving rise to the A antigen present in A group individuals. Another enzyme that adds a galactose residue to the terminal sugar of the O antigen yields the B antigen, as can be seen in the diagram shown here. The detailed structure of these blood group antigens are shown in the next figure. AB blood group individuals carry both the A and B antigens on the surfaces of their RBCs. That's why AB blood group individuals are known as universal recipients. O group individuals are known as universal donors. O group individuals can receive blood only from O group individuals. The relationships between the various individual blood groups and the antibodies present in the blood of these individuals are depicted in the table shown. Structure. The schematic structure of the blood group oligosaccharides are shown. The various blood group types and the blood groups to which they can donate blood or from which they can receive blood from are shown in the diagram. Functions of the blood group antigens. The functions of many blood group antigens are not known with certainty, but they may play some key roles in maintenance of red cell morphology and viability, transport of molecules into or out of RBCs, and resistance to malaria in some ethnic groups. Let us now look at some important biological roles of blood group antigens. They mediate transport of molecules into and out of blood cells. They also have role in maintenance of cell structure and as well as receptors of some ligands. They mediate recognition and attachment to other cells and molecules. They also have regulatory roles in biochemical reactions. Some blood group antigens influence the lifespans and morphologies of red blood cells. These antigens are usually bound to cell surface proteins, for example, BAN3 protein, glycophorin, CD protein and RH proteins, etc. They can also mediate stimulation of immune response, and they also mediate specificity of serological and agglutination reactions, etc. Conclusions. Let us review what we have discussed so far. We have discussed some typical polysaccharides, especially chitin, chitosan, a derivative of chitin, and blood group polysaccharides. Chitin is a homopolysaccharide made of N-acetyl glucosamine residues linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic bonds. It is the second most abundant natural polymer next to cellulose. It serves structural roles in fungi, crustaceans and cephalopods, etc. Chitin finds use as surgical sutures, in seed treatment, protein purification and as binder and thickening agent. Chitosan is partially deacetylated chitin and finds various applications as antimicrobial agent, surgical sutures and bandages, in bone regeneration, as anti-cancer, hemostatic and anti-cholesteremic agent, and as food supplement, etc. Blood group antigens are oligosaccharides displayed on the RBC surfaces, and they determine the 4 groups, that is the 4 blood groups present in human beings, O, A, B and AB blood groups. Although the precise biological roles of blood group antigens are not clear, they play roles in maintaining RBC shape and influencing the lifespan of erythrocytes. They also mediate transport, cell adhesion, cell-cell recognition, cell signaling. They also elicit immune response. We hope that you have had a sound understanding of the structure and function of chitin, chitosan and blood group polysaccharides. It is our firm conviction that this was a pleasurable learning experience for you all. Wish you happy learning till we meet again next time. Thank you.